Are you tired of hitting paywall after paywall in trending AI video generators? Well, today we're testing an AI video generation tool to see what you can actually achieve with their completely free trial. GoEnhance AI is a powerful tool with a ton of features, image generation, video generation, even that trendy video-to-video animation, but we're stripping it all back and focusing only on what you get with their standard free plan. And that is just 45 credits per account. Is that really enough to do anything meaningful? Let's find out. We'll use one free account to generate some unique AI images and then jump onto another free account to test out video generation. Let's see exactly how far those free credits can stretch. If you're hunting for the best free AI tools for video generation, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future tests. Okay, so I've just signed up with a brand new Gmail account, and as promised, right there you see it. 45 free credits loaded up, ready to use. It's important to note, we will need that second free account later for the video demo, simply because video generation uses a lot more credits, and we want to show both image and video within the free constraints. Right, let's kick things off with the AI image generator. This is usually a good starting point. Now, looking at the options, generating one image using a model like, let's say, Flux 1.0, which costs 4 credits. With our 45 credits, that means we could technically make 11 images. Let's aim for 2 distinct ones for this test. For our first prompt, let's try something different from the usual examples. How about a photorealistic image of a majestic snowy owl perched on an ancient weathered signpost in a quiet moonlit winter forest? Okay, prompt is in. I'll keep the aspect ratio at 16:9, leave the other settings like seed and negative prompts off for now, and let's generate. And here we go. Wow, okay, the detail on the owl's feathers and that soft moonlight effect is really nice. It captured the mood well. So that's 4 credits down, leaving us with 41 on this account. Now for image number 2, let's switch up the style completely. Prompt: a vibrant stained glass window depiction of a futuristic cityscape at sunset, intricate details. Let's stick with the same Flux model. Aspect ratio 16:9. Generate. Done. Oh, cool. Look at those colors and the stylized cityscape within the stained glass. Very different from the owl. That's another 4 credits used. So that's a total of 8 credits spent on this first account to get these 2 unique high-quality images. Definitely enough credits here to properly test the image generation capabilities. Okay. Image generation checked. Now for the main event for many, AI video generation. And like I mentioned, this usually costs more credits. Let's head over to the AI video generator and try the text to video option. Looking at the costs, using their proprietary GoEnhance model for even a short clip, maybe 5 seconds long, looks like it costs around 20 credits. See, that's most of our free budget right there on this account. Let's commit to it. For the prompt, let's try something focused on motion. A close-up, slow motion video of a single raindrop falling into a puddle, creating ripples, hyper-realistic, model set to GoEnhance. Okay, let's hit generate. Video usually takes a bit longer. Alright, the render's complete. Let's see what it cooked up. Whoa, check that out. The slow motion impact, the way the ripples spread, that's genuinely impressive. The realism is pretty spot on for just a text prompt. And let's check the credits. Yep, that used 20 credits. Rendering this account useless. Definitely not enough for another video clip of this type, so you better get it right the first time. What do you think about this free offering? Is 45 credits fair or too little? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If this deep dive into the free credits was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, it really helps the channel, and subscribe for more AI tool tests and guides. Want to try GoEnhance AI for yourself? You'll find the link right below in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time with another deep dive.